Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, y'all know it's close to Christmas, December 12th, 2025. But living with 3M don't take no days off. That's right, I'm bringing all the content your way, especially about the F150s and the mods thereof. So today I've got a great one for you. We're gonna check out some AAA liner floor mats for the front, rear, and their bed mat. Stick around. So Amazon dropped these off really quick, the front and rear liners, and I had to bring them in the house and lay them out. Also, the bed mat, it came folded. They made me aware of it. They said on a sunny day you can leave it laying out, but it's 30 something degrees outside. I know it's Christmas time, but I can't think of a better way to warm up cold floor liners and a bed mat than to leave them laying around the house. I mean, flat surface, it's 72 degrees in the house. Yeah, the wife won't mind. What? Let's get to the install. Move the seat back as far as it'll go. Way it gives us room. We're just going to put it in just like this. Push these down. You'll hear them pop. Just like that. Nice. Look at that fit and finish. And you want that to come over that. That protects the door sill from scrubbing your boots or your shoes in and out. Oh man, yeah, it fits snug everywhere and has a high lip. So we're gonna put the rear mat here, but I got to lift my speaker box up first. Yep, so we gotta lift this speaker box up. The floor mat will go underneath it. Of course, if you don't have a speaker box, it just goes right in. But me by myself, I'm having to fight the speaker box to get the floor liner under it. No problem, just a couple extra steps. So the first thing I'm gonna do is make sure this bed is clean. So you just don't want a bunch of leaves and junk in there. And it's a perfect opportunity to clean it out before the bed liner goes in. Just lay it like that. Look how neat, yes. And this section is narrower than this, so if you've got it backwards, you'll be able to tell right away because it won't fit. Only goes in one way. Now these bed mats are made for trucks really that don't have a bed liner. I've already got one, but I wanted it anyhow because double the protection is always better. Okay, so today is 38 degrees and these things come shipped, folded up, and like they told me on the phone, they said everything's gonna take time, like 2 days, 3 days for that uh, lumps and waves to go out of it. So a good sunny day, it'll all go out, it'll fit perfectly. But right now, it doesn't fit too bad for me. Throw anything you want in there. We are double covered. We've got not only the Rhino liner, we now have the bed mat. So AAA Liners has got you hooked up when it comes to the best floor liners and bed mats. They can't be beat. All links are in the description, so just scroll down below the video, click and order yours today. I'm out of here, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Later now.